W-4 forms demystified. Claiming 0 or 1.
Hello there. Today we're going to tackle a common question that a lot of people have when they're filling out their W-4 forms. Should I claim 0 or 1? Understanding the implications of these choices is key to managing your income tax correctly, and in this video, we'll guide you through the process. Let's get started.
What does it mean to claim 0 or 1?
When you claim 0 on a W-4, it means you're asking your employer to withhold the maximum amount of federal income tax from your paycheck. Claiming 0 is often done if you expect to owe taxes at the end of the year. On the other hand, when you claim 1, you're asking your employer to withhold less tax from your paycheck. Claiming 1 is often done if you expect a larger paycheck throughout the year and are not concerned about owing taxes in the end.
How do I determine which to claim?
To decide whether to claim 0 or 1, consider your tax situation. If you're single, have one job, no dependents, and no other income, you might claim 1. If you expect to owe taxes at the end of the year or prefer to get a big refund, you might claim 0. Ask yourself the following questions. Do I have other sources of untaxed income? Am I only working part of the year? Will I qualify for tax credits or deductions? Do I have dependents? By considering your individual situation, you can make an informed choice about what to claim on your W-4. Remember, your W-4 can be updated throughout the year if your circumstances change, such as getting a second job or having a child.
How can I make changes to my W-4?
Making changes to your W-4 is simple. Just request a new form from your employer or download one from the IRS website. Fill out the form with your new withholding choice, and then return it to your employer. They will then adjust the amount of taxes withheld from your paycheck based on the new information. That's all for this video on whether to claim 0 or 1 on your W-4 form. I hope you found this information helpful, and that it's made your tax planning a little bit easier. Remember, everyone's tax situation is unique, so it's always a good idea to consult with a tax professional if you're unsure. Thanks for watching.